Emphysema. Introduction. Does emphysema always cause symptoms at first? Select yes or no. Correct. You can have emphysema for years before you have any symptoms. Shortness of breath usually begins to appear slowly. Which one of the following symptoms requires emergency medical attention? Choose one of the following options. 1. Blue or gray lips or fingernails. 2. Heartbeat greater than 100 beats per minute at rest. 3. Shortness of breath so bad you can't talk. 4. Any one of the above. Correct. Also, if someone with emphysema is not mentally alert, they should seek emergency medical attention. Emphysema is usually caused by cigarette smoke. Select true or false. Correct. If you smoke or are exposed to the smoke of other people, it increases your risk for emphysema and other health problems. Smoking is the main risk factor for emphysema. Select true or false. Correct. Smoking cigarettes increases the chances of developing emphysema the most. However, pipe and cigar smokers are also at an increased risk. Treatments aim at easing the symptoms and slowing the development of emphysema. Select true or false. Correct. There are treatments available that can ease symptoms and slow the development of emphysema. Thank you for using Explain.